In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new drive on Windows 11. This can be particularly useful if you want to organize your files more efficiently, separate work from personal files, or simply optimize your computer's performance. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this process step by step, with clear explanations to make it as easy as possible. Let's get started by opening Disk Management. You can access this by pressing the Windows key plus X on your keyboard. When the menu appears, select Disk Management. This is a system utility that allows you to view and manage the disk drives installed in your computer. Once you're there, look for the drive that has some free space. For most people, this will be the C drive. Find the drive with free space and right-click on it. From the list of options, you'll want to select Shrink Volume. This option will allow you to create a new partition by reducing the space available on the existing drive. A prompt will appear asking you how much you want to shrink. It's important to note that the amount is entered in megabytes, MB. For instance, if you're aiming to create about 50 GB of space for your new drive, you would enter 50,000 MB. Make sure you've considered how much space you'll need on your existing drive for it to function properly before deciding the shrink amount. After entering your desired amount, click Shrink. Now you'll notice that there is a block of space labeled as unallocated. This space is what we'll use to create the new drive. Right-click on this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. This action begins the process of setting up your new drive. When the new Simple Volume wizard comes up, click Next. You'll be prompted to choose the size of the new drive. Most often, you'll want to use the maximum available space, which is pre-filled for you. Simply click Next. Now you need to assign a letter to your new drive. Typically, you'll choose something that's not already used, like D, E, or F. Assigning a specific letter helps you easily identify the drive when accessing it in the future. Moving on, you'll be asked to select the file system. Choose NTFS, which is the default file system for Windows. Make sure to check the option Perform a Quick Format. This ensures your new drive is quickly and efficiently prepared for use without spending unnecessary time on a full format unless you're dealing with specific issues. Finally, click Finish. Your computer will take a moment to set everything up, and then your new drive will be ready to use. You can access it from this PC like any other drive. By following these instructions, you've successfully created a new drive on your Windows 11 computer, providing more organization and potentially improving system performance. Thanks for following along, and happy computing!